Welcome to our designer jewellery making tutorial. The feature bead I'm using is a table cut heart in Hawaiian Ocean colour Czech glass. The construction of the necklace is a combination of wire work and simple but effective bead stringing. To illuminate the character of the heart, I'm going to use Swarovski Crystal Greige and Aquamarine Preciosa seed bead. The tool I'm using to create the loops are round nose pliers. The diameter of the wire needs to be fairly stiff, so I'm using a 0.6mm diameter wire in sterling silver. Once you have made 3 hearts, you then need to join them together. The orientation of the hearts is important. 2 hearts will sit points opposing, while the third hangs down between the 2. I will connect the 3 hearts together using a small 4.5mm jump ring. I have the luxury of using 2 pairs of pliers to open and close the jump rings. Strap is made of 2 pieces of 49 strand miniature stainless steel nylon coated cable. This will then be covered in seed beads. Once you've attached your cable end, pick up as many seed beads as required to create the length for half the strap. The length will vary on individual neck size, but as a guide this design looks good sat at the base of the throat. Once you have finished threading your seed beads, you can then add a further cable end. I'm going to use chain nose pliers and smaller 3.5 jump rings to attach each strap to the opposing hearts. To complete the design, I have 3 ball pins, which are basically a pin with a small bead at the base. By threading on slightly different amounts of beads onto each pin, I will create a variation in the lengths as they hang from the heart. best way to attach your pins So the hanging heart is to reopen the loop at the base of the heart, slide on the pins and reclose your loop. The next task will be to attach a catch. Always open the jump rings apart gently by manoeuvring one side towards you and the other side away from you. Slide on the catch. Then close your jump ring so both sides of the jump ring fit flush together. Add a further jump ring to the other side of the necklace. If you are creating this for somebody else, add an extender chain to give ultimate flexibility on fit.